Open a browser, search for the app's name, look for the right link, click on the wrong link, go back, go to the home page, find the download button, download, and go through the setup wizard. That's what I had to do before finding out about Unigetui to download and update my software. The process is now simply open Unigetui, search for the program's name, and click install. The app will handle the rest. To update, open the software updates tab, and with one click I can update all apps I have installed on my computer. Unigetui is completely free and open source. To download it, you have a few options. You can download a classic installer, download from the Microsoft Store, download from GitHub, or from other websites. The easiest way, however, is to paste this command into the terminal. I will leave the link to the homepage alongside the command in the description. To understand how Unigetui works, it's first necessary to understand what is a package manager. A package manager is a repository of apps coming from different sources like Microsoft Store, GitHub pages, websites, published by their developers in this package manager so that users can install, upgrade, or remove software from one central place. I will show you how Winget, which is Microsoft's package manager for Windows 10 and 11, works so that you can really understand what is a package manager. For example, if I want to download Chrome, I can type Winget search Chrome command, which will make Winget search its repository for every software that is related to the keyword Chrome. Then I can look through this list to find the exact app I want, which is Google Chrome, and then I can copy its ID, type Winget install, and then paste the ID. Now the app will get installed on my computer without any other steps. Winget will handle the rest. Unigetui is a modern and easy-to-use interface for these package managers. Discover. Unigetui is not optimized for discovering apps like the Microsoft Store, but only when you know exactly the app you need. For example, Power Toys. If the list that shows up is too long, I can use these options on the left to filter down my search, like the source, to choose which package manager, filters for the properties of the name that you typed, and the search mode to choose which property Unigetui should look for, whether package name, package ID, both, exact match, or similar packages. If you don't use this pane, you can disable it by clicking this filter button. You can learn more about a package by right-clicking it and choosing package details. The depth of information depends on the popularity of the app. You will not find detailed information for every package. To share a package with someone else, click this button and copy the link or generate a QR code. It will take you to a page that looks like this. Clicking this button will open the package inside Unigetui. For more control over how and where the package is installed, right-click on it and choose installation options. You can choose the architecture, whether 64-bit or 32-bit, the version to install so that you can install older versions. You can check this box to ignore future updates for the package and the installation scope, whether to install the package for only the user or for every user on the machine. You can also choose where the package will be installed. Clicking Save and Close or Install will preserve the installation options for future updates. Update. Unigetui will detect the software installed on your computer and offer to update the ones that are published on one of the enabled package managers. Right now, it detected 6 updates. In comparison, the Microsoft Store detected 0 updates. To update, you simply select the apps you want to update, and then you click Update Selected Packages. You can also use Update as Administrator to skip the user account control prompts. You can skip integrity checks, which is not recommended because it disables scanning the update files for malware, which results in a potential security risk. Interactive Update will let you update with a classic installer. Ignore updates for this package will ignore all future updates, and Skip this version will skip this update but offer future updates. When you click on one of these options, you can go back by clicking Manage Ignored Updates and clicking on the trash icon from here. You can use Uninstall package, then update it for apps that can't be upgraded or that install another version instead of upgrading the current one. For example, Nilesoft Shell failed to update, because the install technology is different from the current version installed. This is when this option is useful. I also ignore updates about apps like Discord because they update themselves automatically. These other apps fail to update with Unigetui, so I've added them to the list of ignored updates. Ignoring updates is useful for when the next version contains bugs for apps that fail to update with Unigetui, or to simply keep using the same version because it's working fine. Do keep in mind though that not 100% of apps will be able to get updated with Unigetui. Some developers choose not to publish their apps on package managers. Adobe, for example. You can also manage updates easily via the widgets pane or the dev home pane with Unigetui widgets. To automatically keep your apps updated, open Settings, click on Update Preferences, and check Install Available Updates automatically. You can also adjust the frequency of update checks. If you choose to enable this feature, you might also like to make Unigetui run on startup. To do that, open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, and enable Unigetui.exe. If you are installing or updating apps in the background and want to focus on something else, I recommend that you send the Unigetui window to another virtual desktop. That way, you won't get interrupted with setup wizards popping up. Export and backup. To export apps, select the packages you want to export from your installed packages or from the Discover Packages tab and click Add Selection to Bundle. Clicking Save Bundle As will back up your packages to a local file with their custom installation parameters like the path and the version of the package to easily recover later. This is useful for backing up your list of apps in case your computer gets corrupted and stops working, or to easily set up a new computer, or to share with someone else. In my 12 modern apps for Windows 11 video, I shared a package bundle containing almost all apps mentioned in that video. Exporting packages does not export any kind of program data or settings, only the information needed to later reinstall the app. Grayed out packages can't be installed due to missing package managers or unsupported sources, though it's still useful to export them to know the apps that need to be installed through another source and the specific version that you had installed. To import a package bundle, click on Open Existing Bundle and choose a .u bundle, a .json, a .yaml, or a .xml file. Review the list, remove any unwanted packages, and click Install. Unigetui ensures packages are installed with the same parameters as on the source machine. To uninstall apps and debloat your computer, go to the Installed Packages tab, select the packages you want to uninstall, and click Uninstall Selected Packages to uninstall them all at once. From the Installed Packages tab, you can also right-click and reinstall package or uninstall package, then reinstall it to fix issues with an app. To learn secret Windows 11 features that you should know, click on this video.